Okay, so like I said, this is the big, right? So we are first going to draw that barrier. All right. Then we have a number outside of parentheses, so 2 times u, we're applying the distributive property, is 2u. Then we have our 2 times positive 1, which is positive 2. And then everything else is there. So again, now if I look at it, right, I'm saying this, I want to combine it with this, right? Those are in the same tree. Notice how, again, I'm not crossing that line. I'm not crossing that line. So that is just 2u plus 1u, which gives me 3u. Then I have plus 2 equals 8. Now I'm saying I want to subtract 2 from both sides. So I want to move this over to here. So now I cross that line, so I'm minusing 2 on both sides. 8 minus 2 is 6. Again, I'm getting 3 to this side, so I'm dividing by 3 here, and that gives me 2. Okay? So again, the first 2 things never cross the line, so it's just combining. It's when I cross that line that things change a little bit. Okay, so keeping that in mind, look here. If I think of things in the same tree, right? If I think of things in the same tree, I have my 14 and I have my 6, right? Those don't go those don't cross that pink or purple line until I get this 3 over here, right? Then I cross that line. So let's get that together first. It looks like Harry Potter's glasses. So 14 and plus 6, well, that's 20. Then now I want to say, okay, let's move that 20 over to the other side. The inverse of plus 20 is minus 20. That gives me negative 17. 3 minus 20, they're on opposite trees, or on opposite sides of the line. Let me just show you, sorry. Subtract them, keep the sign of the 20 because it's bigger. Divide both sides by negative 17, so divide by negative 17. And that gives us a positive 1 as our answer. Okay? So, keeping that sort of in mind, I want you to try the last one, do what you can, and then come back. And if you get stuck on filling this out, that's okay. We can talk about that one. Welcome back. We should have drawn our line. We should have said these, right, put together. That gave us the 26. So that is called combine like terms. Combine like terms. Then they want us to subtract 26 from both sides. So this is now being put over there, right? And so the inverse of plus 26 is going to be minus 26. So I'm going to subtract them. 12, keep the sign of the bigger number. The 26 is bigger, so negative 12. Then last but not least, divide by 2, and A equals negative 6. So that is what we should have. Hopefully you're feeling okay on that.